to wait for the notice. You can call the 911 lawyers at Henson & Wilson to help us see if you qualify. The call and registration are free. Call 800-505-0WTC. That's 800-505-0WTC. Attorney advertising. Bloomberg Money Watch. Now, here's Steve Otis. 3rd of January, millennials say building financial wealth is a priority for them, Scott. In tough economic times may have many younger people seeking ways to secure their financial future that may be different than how their parents accomplished the goal. According to a new bank rate report, more than 1 in 4 Gen Zers and millennials have considered or have already pursued alternative measures to grow wealth. Roughly half say they're bringing in asking prices. That way, it's your decision, and your family won't have to second guess what you would have wanted.
I'm stuck, you gotta go around me.
That's RiversideMemorialChapel.com or call us at 212-362-6600. That's 212-362-6600. Riverside Memorial Chapel. The generation, the symbol of Jewish tradition. Cashback is not available on gas in New Jersey and Wisconsin.
Billy, your gas light's on. We need to stop and fill up.
No way, Jen. Gas around here. You can make...
Come on, man.
Oh.
Come on, baby. Keep going.
Oh.
Come on, come on. Go, 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 go. Go. Yeah, right here. Intersection of 58th and Underhill in Fresh Meadows. I'm broke down. About 27 degrees outside. It's really cold. I'm waiting for a tow truck. I'm gonna have to rent a car because I'm gonna start the car. Try to get some heat in the engine. I already had heat in the engine, but yeah, it's got some heat in there. It's cold out here. Let's see if I put the car in gear, it revs, and nothing happens. I'm in drive. I'll put it in reverse. Same thing. Nothing's happening. I'm not going anywhere. Right then. this car was. The shiny thing you see in the middle. Axle's new. With the wheel. Axle's new. Passenger side front. The moral of the story is make sure you change out your CVT fluid. Do maintenance on your transmission. You'll wind up right where I was, stuck with a $5,000 bill. Take care of your car, it'll take care of you. Alright.